In example number 7, we are given that from a point on a bridge across a river, the angles of depression of the banks on opposite sides of the river are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. If the bridge is at a height of 3 meter from the banks, find the width of the river. So, to draw the diagram for this, suppose A and B are the banks of the river, and there is a bridge, and from a point, let it be P, the angle of depression of both the banks are 30 degree and 45 degree. So we have taken a point P in such a way that it is not in center of AB. It is slightly either rightward or leftward, so that the point P should not be at the equal distance from A and B. This is because for the angle of depression of 30 degree, the point P should be away from A, because we have learned this thing that if the point is away, the angle will be shorter. So this angle of depression we are given 30 degree, and as this point P is close to the point B, so the angle of depression will be bigger, that is 45 degree. Okay. Also we are given that this height of the bridge from the banks of the river is 3 meter. So 3 meter is the height of the bridge from the banks of the river. Let it be PQ. So we have to find out the width AB of the river. Now since because of this height PQ, AB is divided into two parts, so let AQ is equal to X and BQ is equal to Y. This implies that the width of river will be equal to X plus Y. Let this be first equation. Now we will try to find out the value of X and Y one by one using the relation of tan, because PQ is the perpendicular and AQ and BQ are the base. So relation is between perpendicular and the base, so we can use here tan. So first, in triangle AQP, where the theta will be equal to 30 degree alternate degree angles, and this will be equal to 45 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base, it is equal to PQ, that is 3, upon AQ, that is X. From here we get tan 30, which is 1 upon root 3, is equal to 3 upon X. So that gives you, by cross multiply, X is equal to 3 under root 3. Let this be equation number 2. Again, in triangle PQB, we have theta is equal to 45 degree. So tan 45 degree is equal to, again perpendicular upon base, it is equal to PQ, which is 3, upon BQ, which is Y, 3 upon Y. So tan 45 degree is equal to 1, is equal to 3 upon Y. So from here we get 1 into Y, Y is equal to 3. So by equation number 2 plus equation number 3, we get x plus y is equal to 3 root 3 plus 3. So if we take out common 3 from this, we get root 3 plus 1 meter. So the width of the river is 3 in bracket root 3 plus 1 meter.